Another LS swap update. Don't mind the walk here at the salt water tank. If you're into aquariums, you know I got a couple videos on that too. But that enough been said about that. But this is for the LS swap C30 update. We got the power stem bracket here. The other side on the truck setups, you know, you got the tensioner and stuff, and you got an AC bracket. The AC bracket, my buddy's got one he's going to send me. I don't have it here at the moment. We got some flop mounts. I don't know if I go with these or not. These set a little bit low, you know, but the C30 sets up a little bit higher, so I should be able to use a truck pan with these mounts and not have to relocate anything. Now the mounts is used. They did come off my buddy's C10 that he's got a 6.0 in. They fit his in good, but he went with a different style mount to set his truck pan up a little bit higher. But he also had to relocate his trans member and stuff with those. We also picked up a newer model Hydro Boost. The Hydro Boost on the C30 is leaking, and I'm pretty sure I can change this end out right here, and it should be a direct bolt on. If it's not, I will buy the rebuild kit for the C31 that's on it. It's something we will figure out here very soon, very shortly, for bolts change it and a thing. And you match cylinder, you just unbolt it and you can lay it to the side. Simple to do. Upcoming video on that. So plenty of content to come on the newer videos, you know. Chevelle project update. Also got new quarter panels ordered. That we got them. They wasn't ordered. They actually, buddy ordered them, and my other buddy, you know, sing them. So we got the quarter panels. They brand new. They from AMD. They's ordered though, even though, you know, we picked them up from a body shop. Yeah, that's pretty well it for now. So I hope you enjoyed this short update video. If you did, be sure to drop me a like. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for watching. I appreciate that too. Leave me a comment if you got any ideas on this LS swap. It's getting very close. It's going to come soon. So yeah, thank you.